I'm back with another video. So this is going to be a travel vlog. So kuyo ko ni mama karon with her friends and high school batchmates. Pero girls na, walang mga boys. So all girls, kuan siya, adventure. Breakfast lang may gamay, painit sa tiyan, kay travel kaya ugad lang. So yeah, stay lang mo din ha, relax and enjoy this video. So guys, nagkuhan ko sa akong dog food para sa ako ang mga favorite.
So me and my mama will be picked up first by Kuya Alan, then going to Gaisano Tabunoc and meet the others, waiting for one last passenger to arrive. Now, some bought snacks and coffee here in Macdo, then here we go to our destination. Stop over here in Danao, so Kuya Alan will have his coffee and eat early breakfast. Then most of the titas went to the CR. Some of them bought also breakfast. Check the clock and it's 5:10 a.m. The sun is almost up. A bit of a glare of the morning sunshine with this view here in Sogod. Good morning mga bruha! We're almost there to the port. Check the titas if they're still sleeping or ready for another ride. Good morning mga titas! Wake up, wake up! We have arrived to the Maya New Port. The old port is I think 5 to 6 kilometers away from the new port. This is a 3 to 4 hours travel. And if you're thinking of traveling by bus or van, the approximate fare will be 180 pesos to 250 pesos. So now it's time to get Roro ride and to pay our terminal fee in that office. Environmental fee is 75 pesos. Boat or Roro ride is 120 pesos. Then the travel time is 6:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. We are now boarding to our Roro ride, exclusive only for us, guests of Mabuhay Tresher Resort. Padong nami, Malapascua. This is our first time to visit Malapascua Island. I myself were excited to see its beauty, and as what I remembered, my mama said that the sea has strong current. So I'm kind of worried, but my mind is just thinking of the fun and adventure with my mama. Hapit na may abot. Finally arrived. So mga bruha, if you are prone to seasick or kabuhi or biyahilo, please secure Bonamel para di mo mga hilo, guys. So now we are walking towards the place we will stay. It is in the other side of the island. So I eventually carried my mama's stroller and sling bag because it is hard to walk and carry it by the sand by herself. And the porters helped other titas carry their bags as well. So struggle is real. See? See how I filmed myself while carrying those bags. It's a long walk actually. We thought the place we stay is near the Pantalan. Grabe ka, walking distance. So, update lang tamo. Ika, abot na mo. Kaya mo ragi kapoy na ko. After the long walk, we have arrived here in Mabuhay Tresher Dive Resort. So, nice din siya kanami sa 400 sa sea. Then, prepare na me for our breakfast. Hi! Ah? Video ka dito. Ha? Ala, wait lang. Ha? We decided to eat first while waiting for the rooms to be available and settle in. We've met the patrol officers and asked us if we already have plans or itinerary, or we might like to have Kalangaman Island hopping, but we insisted not to go since the weather is not that good. So we also asked favor to Ate Aini and Ate Joy to cook the fish that we bought as Mama's request. We are in room number 4, me, Mama, Tita Theresa, and Tita Joy, and the others is in room 2 and 3. So I chose the bed nearer to the door and outlet for my gadgets and for me to easily sneak out to the room if I wanted to stay longer outside. So Kuya and Ate helped us carry our bags to our respective rooms. These are their affordable rooms. Their room rates starts at 1,200 to 4,200 pesos. They have standard, queen, deluxe, and semi-deluxe room. You may visit their Facebook page for more information. So we are having a short meeting on what to do first and what to eat. So I said earlier, Mama requested a tinolang isda that they bought earlier, a newly catch fish. So fresh pa mga bruha. Fresh. Asking Kuya, husband of Joy, to get us habal-habal ride, and we got 67 motorcycles going to our first destination. One of the locals gave us this Malapascua legend with their famous tourist spots: Lango Beach, Dakit-Dakit Island, Lighthouse, Lapus-Lapus Cliff, Coral Legend, and Japanese Shipwreck. The room rates and contact details, not sponsored ha, mga bruha. But I'm glad to help to for the place, or just give me a pamphlet like this to endorse for free. Pasin pa di ay ma-invite diri, di ba mga bruha? I wanted to share with you our topic, but for the other viewers, I muted the convo. About ragud sa barog og bukad. Mahalin pa di ay diri sa isla. First destination is North Beach or White Beach Resort. So riding with me is Mama, and we also interviewed our driver. You can see that only habal-habal or motorcycle is accessible here for commute or walk if you want. The driver informed us that the high tide will be at 2 p.m. if we want to swim or snorkeling. Also, he offered tours, but we already have plans. Going to White Beach or North Beach near Lango Beach Heaven will take 11 minutes, and it's 2.7 kilometers away from where we stayed. The motor fare is 50 pesos per head, and since we asked them to wait or come back on the certain time, like after 1 p.m., we will pay 100 pesos each person. Going there is a bit tricky if you'll decide to rent a motorbike, so better have a tour guide or ride habal-habal na lang. You'll pass by houses that 1 to 2 person can walk on the pathway, and as what locals said, it is dark in the night time, so we should have flashlight or ask locals to come with you, so it is better to be safe.
Ariray! Ma! Ma!
Hi, vlog me?
Oh, vlog.
We passed our entrance to the White Beach. There's no entrance fee here, mga bruha. We also bumped into local vlogger and free diver, Yaya Socialera, and they came from Walbual with her boss. We have now arrived in North Beach. Super sunny, mga bruha. I can feel the heat and it's tanning time. The beach has powdery white sand and azure water. Not crowded at all. You can just chill here, have a fresh coconut drink or coke, and enjoy solemnness and just hear the waves. So we are now preparing for our all-white photo shoot with my titas, T.I Ladies. First, we need to put sunblock and sunscreen since it's super hot today, like these ladies with me. We also brought with us our snacks and eat lunch after the photo shoot. Here's the pictures. We are done. Titas were now chilling and we're just killing the time to rest and afterwards swim for a bit. Me and Mama definitely will. Mama ordered fresh buko for us and fries. I did enjoy the buko. Klarong kaayo bruha. Diba? Kaon pa more. This is how I enjoyed my time with my titas, T.I Ladies. Super hugyo Jude to be with. You will not be bored at all. This is only the part 1 and see you on part 2.